Are you looking to make some extra cash online but don't have much experience, time, or money to invest? It took me about 2 years to finally start making content once I decided I wanted to do it. And my first 100 videos or so were pretty awful. But I committed to learning something new with every recording and to study video and content creation continuously. It took me another 3 or so years to finally make my first $100 online. I want to help you cut that learning curve and the time down as much as possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start making money online even as a beginner. Forbes.com says freelancers contributed $1.27 trillion to the US economy in annual earnings in 2023. This is a 78% increase from the estimated $715 billion to the economy in 2014, the first year of the study. They also said 47% of all freelancers, or nearly 30 million people, provided knowledge services such as computer programming, marketing, IT, and business consulting in 2023. 23% of all freelancers, or 14.7 million professionals, created influencer content, including live stream services, social media videos, images, or blogs this year. So we can see that there's plenty of work in a lot of fields, and that the trend for their earnings are still shooting upwards. Now you might think that that's a bit too saturated for you to get in on the goods, but when it comes down to it, you just have to get yourself in the marketplace, in a position in which you can offer something and deliver it all online. Plus, you have what other people have done to learn from, and you'll bring your own perspective and strengths to the table. Now, technically speaking, the first thing you have to do to get paid online is link your bank account. You have to be able to receive money digitally and make it an easy process for the person you intend to receive money from. You'll need to have your banking credentials, that is, your routing number and account number, linked to the source in which you want to get paid. For example, if you're offering a product through a website, either your own or some other platform, you want to have the tools in place so that money can actually be transferred to you. Most third-party platforms will have this built in, and you just have to go through the steps to link up. You can also use a QR code that's specific to your account on your money apps, such as PayPal or Venmo. You can save this QR code and the email address associated with the account and receive payments that way. Friends, I just started a new Patreon account. If you like what I do on this channel and would like to contribute, consider joining me over there. The link is in the description. The next thing to do to make money online will be to identify what product or service you want to sell. This is where identifying your niche comes into play. Now, whether you're trying to build your own audience or have an offering on a platform, you have to have something in which you can trade for money. This doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of money developing a new product or even have professional grade gear, though you might have to hone old skill sets and learn new ones. I would suggest matching something you enjoy doing, something creative, and selling that service. This could be artwork or design, creating music or editing podcasts, writing blogs or advertisement copy, or creating YouTube or marketing videos. The need for creatives is strong. It should be your goal to match your creative passions with a monetization path. After that, you'll want to utilize the correct platforms for what you're selling. Depending on what that is, there are thousands of sites that match people who are looking for things with people that are offering things. This could be eBay or Etsy or Fiverr or Upwork, or one or some of the many others. Once you figure out what platforms you want to work with, create and optimize your profile and take advantage of any programs or strategies that they offer to help you find your first customers. As you start doing work for other people, selling your service or product, you'll start to learn what the market wants more of and how you can better meet that demand. Over time, you can invest into better gear and further develop your own personal brand and business. You might be an artist who's hired to create logos. And if you excel at that, you can then monetize that more by teaching others, either through paid courses, online tutoring, or free content like a blog or YouTube channel. If you're fortunate enough to grow in that sector, you can cash in through sponsorships, product reviews, affiliate programs, or even ad placements, all of which are more ways to make more money online. The hardest part of all of this is getting started. To have the confidence in yourself that you can overcome problems, learn, grow, and consistently show up and adjust as needed. If you can do that though, then you're doing it. With dedication and persistence, you can turn your online ventures into a lucrative source of income.